What if we stopped sleeping? No more wasted hours, no more mornings, just endless productivity. Sounds like a dream? More like a nightmare. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's a biological requirement. So, what happens hour by hour if humans simply stopped sleeping? In this video, we'll explore what happens when you push the human body beyond rest. Within a day, your brain begins to glitch. Reaction time slows, mood tanks, memory unreliable. After 48 hours, you're basically legally drunk without touching a drop. The brain is still awake, but it's no longer functional. Day 3 hits different. Your body takes control. Micro sleeps hijack your brain. Your eyes may be open, but you're unconscious. Hallucinations begin, paranoia, anxiety. Even speech starts breaking down. By day 5, your immune system collapses. Inflammation explodes. Hormones go haywire. You're not just tired. You're under biological attack. Natural killer cells drop by 70%. Cortisol spikes. Your skin, your organs, your brain all begin to deteriorate. Can sleep loss kill you? In rare cases, yes. A real genetic condition called Fatal Familial Insomnia proves that sleep deprivation can kill. First, the ability to sleep fades. Then comes psychosis, motor failure, and finally, death. There is no cure. Could we ever eliminate the need for sleep? Some futurists say maybe, with AI, implants, or sleep hacking. But today, nothing replaces REM. Nothing replaces deep sleep. The tech just isn't there, not even close. Skipping sleep to get more done, it's a myth. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's where your body repairs, your mind resets, and your humanity returns. So next time you pull an all-nighter, ask yourself, what's really worth trading your brain for?